Hello guys, so on today's video we'll be learning how to do wall cracking edit or wall crack editing, like a wall cracked and it looks like you entered inside the wall. Can you see my own? So let's go there. You just need your phone and your CapCut. Okay, so first of all, you need to record yourself. You knock on the wall or anything you like, you do, then you do like you entered inside the wall. Okay, so this is me trimming out the part that I don't need. I've already brought in my video. So that place I wanted to knock, that place I knock and waited for the wall to crack, I will click on that place, then go to overlay and bring my wall crack green screen. You can get your own from TikTok or anywhere. Okay, so I brought my own in. This is it. I went to remove BJ, clicked on chroma key, then remove the green background, but that place is still green, so I went to adjust. It went to HSL, then click on the green color, click on saturation, then drag it back so that it will be dark. Can you see it? So I'm just doing little adjustments here. I'm trying to adjust the wall crack so that it will look good, it will fit in. Okay, that is what I'm doing here. So I'm trying to adjust my own. So when you bring in your video, you still need to do a little adjustment. Can you see it? So this is how my own looks now. I've done the little adjustment. My own looks like this, but it is not enough. So I will click on the green background on the wall cracking green screen, then go to freeze. See freeze, I'll freeze it just so that it will be enough because my own is small. Then I will have to trim my video. I have to trim it so that everything will be the same length. All right, so this is me trimming my video. Then this is what we have here. Now this is what we have. Okay, so you save the video, you click on export and export your video. So after exporting the video, you click on new project again, bring back the same video, you bring it back. See it here, I brought it back, the same one that I just exported. So immediately I want to enter, I place my line there. I went to look for freeze. I freeze that place. In the same line, I click on overlay, I brought it down, the same line, still the same line. I had to drag it so that it will be the same length with my main video. Still the same line, the same place. I went to look for remove BJ. That's what I'm looking for, remove BJ. I'll click on it, click on custom remover. If you are subscribed to CapCut, you use quick brush. If you have not subscribed to CapCut, you use a normal brush. Then increase your own. If you don't increase it, it's going to take time, so you increase the size of your brush. Then you highlight the part that you want to cover, like the part that you want to leave on the screen, so that it will be like you entered inside. You just highlight it. Okay, when you are done, you click on check and this is what you have.